Hello everyone, I am Palak. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, thank you so much for showing this much of love and showing this much of interest on my YouTube channel. Guys, this is very first time when I am presenting myself in front of you all. Let's discuss about different arts, their meanings, their history and many more. Today's video is about Boho Art. It is also known as Bohemian Art. This art means you can design your living room in any manner. There is no rules at all. You can design it by combining any colors, any patterns, any objects from any areas of the world. So let's start with this video. from any topics, you can DM me, or you can also post the topic in the comment section below. And yes, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and be a part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.